Hello guys, it's another weekend and I hope you are all doing great. So just same old story. This week I lost my 15K funded account. Last week I lost my 5K funded account and I already knew that this week would be no different because the market has not really shown that it wants to improve on its recent performance or recent movement, its recent movement. Yeah, so it's really been a difficult period, but that's just it. We just have to take it slowly, which is what I've been doing actually. Yeah, so but for now, I'll just keep on trading. I think I have my 100K funded next account, and I also have my still have my 10K funded trader markets account. So I'll just keep on trading in funded trader markets account for now until we are able to navigate this difficult period of trading. And when I see that things are starting moving well again, I will now decide to get more accounts and get back funded. Well, it's just a hiccup. It's not the end of the road. It's just one of those things that you need to be ready to absorb if you really want to succeed in this business. Okay, so let me just quickly go into the trades that I took this week. Funny enough, I was able to get only one winner this week. Only one win. Yeah, and funny enough, I didn't mark it on this chart, but I still remember it very well. It was somewhere around here. So I'll just mark it now. I'll also show you on my foreign trader markets account because I took the trade there. So somewhere around here. I may not get the exact um, place, but it was somewhere around here. And it was a complete 5 hour win. Yeah, even a slightly more than 5 hours. So this was the only trade I won this week. But every other thing I took this week was actually a loss. Okay, so I don't think I took a trade on Monday. Well, I think let me just go into my foreign trader markets account. And so this is my foreign trader markets account. And right away you can see my balance is 9,158. So it's pretty much I'm pretty much close to losing it as well. But I'll still try to see what I can do about it. And this is this week's performance. Okay, so this is my foreign trader market account. As you can see, on Monday I lost my trade. Tuesday, Monday to Thursday was a loss. I only took one win on Friday, and this was actually a 5 hour trade. But actually, I reduced the risk, and that's why you see that it's not that much. And if you look at the trades I took as well, they were mostly gold. Except this day, decided to try pound JPY, and it went a bit in my direction, but then to loss. So I think I should take one of my losing trade and my only winning trade. So I'll take this one on that I took on Monday, 13th. I think it should be Monday. And that was by, let me see. Okay, it was on Tuesday. So as you can see, I actually had the intention to buy on Tuesday, and that's because although gold was on a bearish move trend, but when you look here, you see that it broke below this recent um like all these resistance. Now, yeah, it broke up below above this resistance, then came back for a retest, then tried to break above this one but couldn't. Then finally broke above it here with this trade. And then on pullback, normally that's my trade is like I've said many times is based on break and retest. So on pullback, I expect to be able to buy this market, and so that's why you saw me trying to buy this market on Tuesday, but it then kept on going on in loss. So I don't know. Let me see. I don't know how many losses I took on Tuesday. Let me see 13th. So this is 13th. Okay, I took two losses. Yeah, this small I don't know, maybe break even also, but I took two losses on Tuesday. Yeah, on Wednesday, the same thing. Wednesday is 14th. I took one trade on Wednesday. Let's see. Okay, this is Wednesday. So I took one trade. I was still expecting to buy because as you see, the whole of Tuesday was a range. And so on Wednesday, I felt that okay, it may continue the move, and you can see some break of structures here as well. Um, You can see a break above this range here, then a retest, then another break above this range here. So it was a bullish signal, and then on pullback I got in, and then it took me out a loss again. So I think my mistake here was that the overall trend was bearish, but it looked like it was going to bounce from here. Yeah, but it didn't, and that was how I took a loss there again. And on Thursday, another loss, because this one is even very clear. Now I decided to be bearish. So I was bullish all around, and I was coming out in losses. So now I decided to be bearish, and there was a break of this level. Then on retest here, I thought to get in of this minor resistance, and then behaved like it was going to continue the move, and then took me out at loss. And this is the only one I got, and this one I think it was very clear. Yeah, because there's this clear bearish trend, and normally when I was making profit, this is how the market moves. When I was making and getting my payouts, it was very clean. It gives you the trend and moves in the direction. So we had this break of this minor support here. So on pullback, it breaks again below this support. Then on pullback here is where I want to get in, and I did the same thing here. I was able to get this 1 to 5 trade. Then that same Friday, I thought that the market was going to continue this move, this bearish move. So I tried to enter again. I entered here again, but this one didn't play out. So those were the trades I took. Those are the trades I took this week. We were all on gold. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is the 5 hour win. At this point, I was already risking $25 per trade, 25 to 30. Yeah, although it looks like it's not uniform, but I was risking 1% at first, 50. You see, these two are 50. Then this and this maybe slightly higher. So, but when I noticed that the account was already less than around 1% to go, I decided to reduce my risk to 25 to 30, and that's why I see 30 here. And that's why I was able to win. If you multiply 25 by 5, that's 125. So this is 5 hour plus win. Yeah, and this was the last loss I took yesterday. So that's the progress of my account. Can you see? This is a 1 month calendar, and I've won just once this month. One day. I've won one day this month, which is very, very terrible, and the reason why I've lost my two accounts. Okay, so that's for my foreign trader market account. Let me see if I can quickly show you my funded next account. Okay, so my funded next account is up, and immediately you can see that I have just one account left, and it's my 100K challenge account. This I've decided not to trade, just maybe take one minor trade per week to keep it active. But I decided not to trade this account until things get a bit balanced, because yeah, I got this account for $565 or so, and it's not something that I want to just lose like that. So that's it. That's the account I have now for the next, sadly. But well, I know things will get better over time. It's just one of those hiccups in trading that every trader goes through. Yeah. So except they refuse to tell you the truth, but everybody goes through it. And the earlier you know that, the better for you. It helps prepare you for the journey ahead. So that's all I have to share today. I think this should go down as one of my shortest videos, and that's because there's nothing exciting to talk about. Yeah, but it's all right. It's all good. We are hoping that everything becomes better quickly, as soon as possible, so that we can start making profits again. If you enjoy my videos, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.